Docket's Hospitality Property Operation and Maintenance Report offers insights into property management efficiency and maintenance in the hospitality industry. Let us see how to access this report. After you have logged into your Docket account, open the Business page and locate the Business Reports option from the main navigation menu label. Click on it and click on Business Reports from the list that appears and choose Departmental Reports. On the Departmental Reports page, click on Schedule 8, Property Operation and Maintenance to access this report. You can customize this report as per time period and its revenue sources. And once this report is generated, you can also download it as an Excel spreadsheet. To download this report, go to the Free Dot menu option in the top right corner and choose Export to Excel. This will download the report to your device to further analyze and manipulate the data as needed. The Hospitality Property Operation and Maintenance Report consists of some important components like expenses related to routine maintenance, repairs, utilities such as electricity, water and gas, cleaning expenses, landscaping and grounds maintenance, equipment maintenance and repairs, security, and any other property operation and maintenance expenses. This report can help you identify areas of improvement and cost-saving opportunities in property operation and maintenance, and also help you get insights into maintenance expenses and their patterns that allow you to proactively develop strategies for optimal property management. For any help or discrepancies with the report, please consult your account manager or email us at support@docket.com.